Just carry on, carry on, oh, carry on, carry on, just carry on, please carry on. Don't lose courage, cause the world hates you. Don't turn your back into the Lord. Don't give up because people talk. No, the Lord has plans for you. The world will talk. The world will say. People will talk. But no matter what, God's timing is the best. Carry on, brother. Carry on, just carry on. Carry on, carry on, sis. Carry on, just carry on. The life I live is a testimony. The life I live is by the grace of God. So I don't have to fear, I don't have to worry, because the Lord I serve, He knows my tomorrow. The world will talk. The world will say. People will talk. But no matter what, God's timing is the best. Carry on, carry on, carry on, carry on, no matter how. Carry on, no matter when. Just carry on. I should not be afraid. Carry on, carry on, carry on. I am not afraid. Carry on, carry on. Just carry on. No matter what people talk, no matter what people say, no matter what the world will do, no matter what the world will say, it shouldn't change your destiny. It shouldn't change your energy. Oh yes, it shouldn't change your prayer life. For studio Lokanani, leave them to talk. Hear them say, it's God who knows your tomorrow. It's Him who knows your destiny.